When you use one electric scooter, the first advantage is you are independent. You don't depend about anybody. When driving this kind of kick scooter, you are higher than anyone. You can see where is busy place, we can see what happened around you and avoid some accident or something, of course, if you're driving safe. I am Sorin Sirbu, I am Romanian. I am the founder of E-twow brand, also the TankTorq electric scooter brand. We started this business 11 years ago, but this product appeared around 10 years. We sold more than 350,000 in all the world, around more than 70 countries. This year, we plan to launch more than 7 new projects with different power, different torque, and all will have a new technology. This subject is a little funny. I was in Shanghai and a very busy city, you know. I want to tell you about Shanghai. It's more than 22 million people, but reality is more than 30 million. It's difficult to driving the car, and I suppose one bike, electric bike, will be fine for me. After a few days use this bike, I have discovered it's much more difficult. It's too heavy, I cannot use inside the subway, and I want to build something light, easy carry, and have the range 20 kilometers. I want to tell you, Shanghai, to cross Shanghai you need around 25 kilometers, but 20 kilometers range is enough. First scooter was with one motor with belt and very easy broken. I need that time around 1 year to understand and find the right way and build the new motor, drawing and discover the new system like kinetic energy recovery system CARES, and understand with one very small battery, only 5 ampere, and that time 24 volt, can running around 8 kilometers. One was huge success. And the magnetic braking system was the first we discovered this kind of system that time, about 10 years ago. And nobody believed we can have this kind of braking system without friction. After first investment was around $10 million, first factory, now we get a new facilities, new factory, and with more investment. But also the quantity of the electric vehicle here will be, I suppose, around 200,000 units per year, and not include only the scooter. We also will include the batteries, the motors, the electronic part, and the CNC part, the structures of this scooter. In our factory, we build more than 90% of the component by ourselves. I did this job to avoid the mistake of the quality. Our main advantage is the durability, high quality, high level of the service, and the final customer assistance. Also, our scooter have an application with community. We support all the advice. This one will help us to improve if necessary. In the same time, this application will give you the chance to understand who is the builder of the scooter, who is the designer, who create one family for our user like a club. We have a lot of innovation about shock absorber, like glass fiber spring, one of them, or it's inside the structure, this kind of spring. But for the future, I have a lot of another innovation, like adjustable electronic adjustable shock absorber, like adjustable steering column, electric everything, or the seat. Like another innovation or invention will be about the driving train. Another software for the controller, another kind of motor. Now we study and have in our project for next year the not radial motor and axial motor. The idea is like that. Under 10 kilograms, range, it's enough to be 50 to 60 kilometers. Speed should respect the load according with the different country, is 20, 25 kilometers per hour, or for our moped, 45 kilometers per hour. Long range, short time for charging, and most important, guarantee for life. The biggest problem now is, I think, first is the regulation for different countries. If you don't know, don't communicate, don't use it, it's very difficult to create one law. When decide, okay, it's 20 kilometers per hour. Of course, depend about your braking system, depend about your tire. Means the regulation should focus on the tire safety, braking safety, the technology who use this kind of scooter. Don't try to give the trouble to the user or the customer. Solve the problem, not create the problem. Now, according with Europe, special Europe, happened this kind of thing. In fact, all the regulation only gives trouble to the producer and to the user. Don't solve this with people problem. First one, comfort and pleasure to driving. Of course, this is like what I choose, but like a condition should be safety. Safety is like a condition, and after is a driving pleasure. This kind of scooter, the new model, is like you flying. You don't care about the quality of the street. You're flying. You feel like a dream. When you have a dream, flying, and everyone is under you, you don't feel anything, no cold, no hot, only flying. And wake up, you regret the dream is finished. Same, I want a rider, regret, oh, that is so short way. I want riding a little more. In my company, I am real proud about my team, and also I am real proud about my representative, my dealers. I'm proud of the people who believe me, to believe my dream and follow my dream. The hard time was pandemic when the virus comes. It was not so easy for my team. We moved the factory, and my team, which sometimes has 40 degrees temperature, fever, and maybe stay 1 or 3 days at home, later come and again, and they move in 2 weeks, one factory and machine who cost more than 20 million. Nothing broken? I don't understand from where comes this energy and dedication. And they told me they believe. They believe the future of our factory and our business. I choose Max Blinker. I recommend to customer, use your best technical support and choose Max Blinker for electric scooter.